Good afternoon, teachers. Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday afternoon. It is a wet, rainy fall day here in Louisville, Kentucky. As is always the case, I want to take a couple of minutes to go over your agenda for this week. If you look at the top of the agenda, we only have one learning target, and that is to be able to explain your ISM paper. And that's what we're going to dedicate the whole week to. Below that learning target, you see a review of last week's reading, as is always the case. And then our first item on the agenda is about the ISM paper. And what I'm going to do this week is I've set up several meeting times where you can meet with me via Microsoft Teams. There's a Google document there that you'll click on and sign up if you would like to meet. Now, you're not required to meet, nor are you required to stay the full hour if you do meet. But if you would like to meet, if you have questions about your topic, if you have questions about the formatting, or anything else for that matter, you can sign up and meet with me. As I said, we'll meet on Microsoft Teams. I do ask that you sign up at least 2 hours before the meeting. One of them is going to be on Saturday, Saturday morning. The other one's going to be on Monday afternoon or Monday evening. And if one of those times doesn't work, then please contact me and I will find a time that does. In addition to signing up, what I would like for you to do is to look over the rubric before the meeting, familiarize yourself with that. Again, also, if you have not read the examples that I provided, please read those. And if you don't have a topic, try to think of 2 possible topics that you would like to base your ISM paper on so that we can discuss those when we meet. And by doing these things prior to coming, you're just going to help facilitate the process and help me to assist you in producing a successful ISM paper. So that's what we have for this week. In addition to that, I'm going to ask you to meet with your groups. I'm not going to hold you accountable for that. There's not going to be anything that you're required to turn in. But I have found in the past, and I've mentioned this before, that based on student evaluations, teachers really enjoy their group meetings. They enjoy collaborating with their colleagues and find them beneficial. And so I would encourage you to meet with your peers this week in your groups. Outside of those 2 activities, your group meeting and meeting with me, either which are not required, I would like for you to take this time this week, or take the time that you would normally be working on coursework this week and dedicate it to your ISM paper, which is a coursework, but not something outside of your readings and things that we've been working on. All right, so that's all that I have. I hope everyone's doing well. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me, and I look forward to talking to you again next week.